8:32. The house, all the blinds have been closed. We did use the oven to cook dinner. And it is 84 degrees in our house when it's set at 74.
It's currently 79 degrees outside. 9:20 at night. Dark as all get out outside. Just turned on the dishwasher because we didn't want to run it during the day. All blinds shut. Of course, these blinds are shut. We set the thermostat to 76 degrees all day. It is still 80 degrees in our house. The time right there is not right on that thermostat. It's still 80 degrees in the house at 9:20 at night when it's 80 degrees outside. 8:58 p.m. Dark outside. We're gone all day. Didn't even use the oven tonight. Had Taco Bell. It is currently 80 degrees outside. And our house is 82 degrees. Thermostat set at 73. It's 5:20. There's one blind open. Blind shut. Come on. It won't focus. Curtain shut. Blinds all shut. Front blind shut. Lights off. All lights off. 80 degrees in our house. Set at 74. It's been this way all day. All shut up. Kids' windows. Blind shut. Blind shut. Our ceiling fan on. Blind shut. Outside temperature today is low 90s. Haven't even turned on the oven today. Same night, a little bit later. 8:27. It's dark outside. Blind's been shut all day. We were not even home tonight. 83 degrees outside right now. And 81 degrees in our house. Like I said, we weren't even home tonight. Went to Home Depot, grass pad, and didn't even cook dinner here. 8:30. Right now it's 84 degrees. 6:23. We had pizza for dinner. Did not use our stove, but we did have our blinds open so we could actually have daylight in here. Blinds open in the front. 80 degrees in our house. Set at 75. That time is wrong. 80 degrees and it's 80, what is it, 84 outside? Not good.